Guilt has a quiet way of staying, even when no one is accusing you, even when time has passed. It doesn't shout, it settles. You carry it into ordinary moments, into silence, into sleep, and often you don't even question it. You just learn to live around it. Guilt usually isn't about what happened. It's about the meaning you gave it afterward. A moment replayed too many times, a different choice imagined, a version of yourself you think you failed to be. Living with guilt doesn't mean you are bad. It means you are aware. And awareness, when left unattended, can turn heavy. Notice how guilt speaks. It uses should have. It uses if only. It pulls you backward while your life keeps moving forward. The problem isn't remembering. The problem is staying there. You can acknowledge responsibility without punishing yourself forever. Those are not the same thing. Ask quietly, what is this guilt asking me to learn? Not to erase, not to justify, just to understand. Sometimes guilt wants repair. Sometimes it wants honesty. Sometimes it only wants permission to soften. Holding guilt tightly does not make you more moral, it just makes you tired. Living with guilt doesn't mean carrying it everywhere you go. You can place it down without denying it existed. Pause, breathe. Notice the difference between accountability and self-attack. One teaches, the other wounds. You are allowed to grow beyond the moment that shaped your regret. You are allowed to be more than the worst thing you remember. Guilt loses power when it is met with clarity instead of fear. When it is faced, not avoided. When it is listened to, then released. You don't need to forget. You don't need to rewrite the past. You only need to stop letting one moment define your entire presence. Living with guilt becomes lighter when you stop asking, how do I punish myself enough? And start asking, how do I live more honestly now? That shift changes everything, not instantly, but quietly.